All right, what's going on, guys? So I'm excited. I got this GoPro. I've been excited to do videos back to back to back, and now that today I finally get the chance to use it, me and my buddy are gonna go. I'm gonna go over to my buddy's house. We're gonna store the oil cash can that I mentioned in my last video. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, I want to say I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse, and then if we run into any problems while I'm installing it, I'll pause the time lapse and go ahead and, you know, talk to you guys about what we're doing and this and that. So let's go ahead and head over to his house right now. All right, what's going on, guys? So we took a quick break. We went out and got some dinner. So the lighting changed because we're gone for a lot longer than we expected. All right, so now we got the factory PCV valve recover assembly disabled or taken apart. So now we're going to go ahead and do a part 2 and install the ECS version and the oil catch can. So I'll catch you guys in my next video.